Corpus jong Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasil District Haringkat ke jeng trai lambat Corpus jong District Sports Officer Corpus jong Superintendent jeng Kipulen but Corpus jong District Planning Officer kum katang man kan mau buram kila pelong menta ka arpo tereng unai wing ajab san ya ka Sardar at 150 Unity March-Ek Bharat Aatmanirbhar Bharat Mawkyrwat Southwest Khasil District. Ya kini ka Unity March lasdang na plau jong ka Ngap Same College Mawkyrwat badaya lingba kayo Mawkyrwat State Bank of India Meghalaya Rural Bank hadu ban wan pai biang sa Ngap Same College. Ha kini ka jingya pai ba hadu lais pa ngut kila wane Shim bynta ka ba kentup ki officer ki samla puli ki kena skol lambat ki nohikai. Laban kedo hang ni bakani ka Sardar at 150 Unity March kalong kum ka senjam kerpang ban buram ya ka jingdap sispa sanpau snam ka jingdap senjuk jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ublan no senyang ka bakraw ha ka pinyatli ya kri India kani kalong ru kum ka bynta jong ka Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat ka ba yaringkat bat ka thong Viksit Bharat bat Aatmanirbhar Bharat kabla penbor da menteri rang badu kari. Ka jingelang pensngau thu syapang ka Unity March ahadap san ka penpau yak rukom terikam kabla penbet rinti bat kaba kentup shibun ki kerdan ha kaba ki district baper ki Shim bynta lang kum shibenta jongka padyatra jongkari ban buram ya ka pateng Sardar Patel. Hakini ka sngi ladon lang uba FB Basan MC's Additional Deputy Commissioner kumukong san uba Mawkyrwat MPS Superintendent jeng Kipulen kum u sembut kong san bat kiwe de kentup yo Himanta Timung Coordinator Unity March uba di Singkon District Sports Officer kinoikai ki kena bat ki sama pulie ki jingrai bat ki jingle kai tenrai ki kentup ru ya ka jingrai national song de ki kena jong ka JNV Southwest Khasil District ka folk song ne ki samla pulie jong ka Ngap Same College Mawkyrwat bat ka folk dance na ka Rimaram Folk Academy Mawlangwar.
Diverse cultures, diverse religions, diverse tribes, and there was one man who decided when India got independence on 15th August 1947, he saw that India was not united yet. Though we achieved independence, we had not really achieved unity. And this man decided that I will take up this job, this mantle of preserving the unity of the country, no matter what it takes. Okay, and at that point of time, in 1947, there were over 500 princely states, what we call kingdoms, all over the country. Some of them were being influenced by our neighboring countries to join over to their side. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, okay, he decided that no, India needs to be united. All these princely states need to come together. No matter whatever our difference, no matter how separated or segregated we are, we need to come and bond together as a country. And over a period of within a year, okay, we have the geography of India as we know today. Okay, and this is the famous quote of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, where he said, "I do not see a person as a Marathi or a Jat or a Sikh or a Bengali or a Khasi, or a Manipuri, or a Tamilian. We are all Indians. And let us not forget that.
Here I was thinking on what should I speak, especially on this day. We celebrate 150 years birth anniversary of Sardar and we celebrate the concept of national unity. There are many things, and I even took my phone and, like I was discussing, started typing in ChatGPT so that I can speak something to you. But then, as I was sitting, I saw your performance, as I was thinking of how this concept of national unity has affected me personally, I would like to say that we are very privileged to live in this country. We are very, very privileged that we wake up every day in the morning and we are standing here and we are conducting our daily activities, and all our students are here, they're learning, they're getting educated, and we are very fortunate of the unlimited opportunities that our country has to offer us. My dear students, as we speak at this moment, there are many students and many children, many youths in other countries where they do not have this privilege of sitting in a hall listening about the concept of national unity. There are many countries where there is no guarantee of life when you wake up in the morning. Why? Because the country has been torn and divided by internal conflicts. If you see what is happening in countries like Africa, every day something or the other is happening. Some community is committing atrocities against another community. Some groups, they are threatening the existence of other groups. And we see every day in the newspapers reported a number of children dying because of war, because of the strife that is happening in the country. And we are very fortunate that our country is safe, our country is guided by the principles of unity, secularism, democracy, and that is the reason why we wake up every day in the morning, we take it for granted that it's going to be another beautiful day. It's going to be a day when we are all able to do what we want to do with our lives. So all this has happened because India is a strong country, is a united country, is a country in which the principles of secularism, the principles of justice, equality, fraternity has been enshrined in our constitution. And every day when we wake up in the morning, we feel safe. We feel safe that we are in a country which gives us these principles which we can live our life.